Hello friends, today we will discuss about the practical geometry of standard 8 chapter 4. Okay, so this practical geometry is very important for all of you. Okay now, so I divided this chapter into 5 parts. Okay, every parts I will go through the one exercises. Okay now come to the definition of a practical geometry. What is the meaning of a geometry? Geometry is nothing but the graphical representation of any shape in your graph paper or in a paper. Okay, or in a plane. Okay now? So now we will be discuss what kind of shape we have studied, because it is a we have studied about the parallelogram, quadrilaterals, polygons like that. Now here we will study about the quadrilaterals. Okay, what are the quadrilaterals? It is there: square, rhombus, triangle, parallelogram, trapezium, and etc. Okay, now some of the important points it is there. You have to remember that is what before going to a geometry, you have to be ready with your compass box, because you want the scale for the measurement or taking the measurement or transfer the measurement. Okay, with that compass, yes or no? So here I will be tell you by the simplest manner with a chalk and duster. Okay, now come to the first one is what, how and what are the procedures of doing a geometry, practical geometry with the help of compass, okay, and scale. Okay now come one by one. That is what first point is that what is that, you have to draw a rough sketch. Before going to the practical geometry, you have to draw a rough sketch, okay, which is related with the statement given in your questions. Okay, first you have to draw the rough sketch. What are the second one? The according to the statement, you have to decide what is the shape of the quadrilateral. Okay, so these are the 2 points it is there. First you have to draw a rough sketch before going to the fair one or the important one. Okay, how you will draw it? How you draw the rough sketch? According to the statement given in your questions. Okay, so these are the very important points you have to remember it. Okay now? So first one is what? A rough sketch. Suppose let's take an example. So okay, various kinds of examples are there. So we will take one example. So maybe a parallelogram is or a quadrilateral is a square, rectangle, trapezium, rhombus, as I'm saying you. Okay, so simplest manner first, if a quadrilateral is there, A, B, C, D. If 4 sides are given, then how I will draw it? Suppose 5 centimeter, this is 6 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter, and this is 6 centimeter. In which quadrilateral opposite sides are equal? We know it definitely it is a rectangle. So let's start to draw a rectangle. So this is the rough sketch I am doing with my pencil without using the scale. Okay na? So what you have to do? Take any sides. Any side you can take. So how you will draw it, I will tell you. Okay? So first in the right hand side top corner, you have to draw a rough sketch. Okay? Name it, and you have to name it A, B, C, D. CD is how much? 6 cm. AD is how much? 5 cm. AB is how much? 6 cm. And BC is how much? 5 cm. This is the rough sketch I have did it. Okay, now come to the fair. With the help of a scale, because we know that scale is a measuring instrument. So with the help of this scale, you have to take any side. Okay, be careful, children. Okay, take any side with the help of a scale. I am with the help of chalk, I am showing you, but you have to use the scale. Okay, if it is 0 point, how much is 6 now? Up to 6 centimeter you have to draw it. Okay, up to this much it is, you have to draw it. Another process is also there with the help of your compass needle. Suppose think that my thumb is your compass needle and my next finger is a middle finger is the pencil. So what you have to do? First you have to draw with the, take the measurement from the scale 0 to 6 centimeter. Then transfer it into the first point and cross it the straight line. Okay, suppose here it is crossed. Okay, so here it is crossed. Now this is the arc I have drawn it. Put the compass needle and draw the arc to cut the line of required measurement, that is 6 centimeter I have taken it. Okay now from here, because the down one you have taken, so name it DC. Above D, which point is that? A. How much it is? How much it is? It is 5 centimeter. So remember here how you will draw it. Okay, we know that in the rectangle property, all angles of a rectangle is 90 degree now. So you have to draw what? You have to draw here with the help of compass. Okay, any dimension 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter like this, and here you have to draw the 60, 120, then cross it with the help of 90 degree. You know it in a better manner, and with the help of scale you have to draw a perpendicular line to DC. Okay, same the 90 degree you have to draw here also. C point 60, 120 degree and 90 degree, and from this point to this point you have to join and draw the perpendicular line. Okay, now according to the hidden secret in the what rectangle, it is there what the angles of a rectangle is 90 degree. Each angle of a rectangle is 90 degree. To follow that principle, we are draw here 90 degree. Now tell me DA is how much? 5 centimeter. From D point, with the help of your scale, take the measurement and the transfer it with the help of the compass and put the needle here and cross it. Draw a arc so that the arc will be bisect that perpendicular line. So this is called as point A, because here the point is here. The same dimension is here also, because 5 centimeter is here is there. So I put here and draw an arc here. Now here B point is here. Now join A with B. Okay children, join A with B. So this is the simplest process of drawing the geometry by following the rough sketch, okay, by given statement. Okay, so this is one of the simplest form of drawing the geometrical shape. Now come to your textbook. According to your textbook, what it is there. Okay, so I erase this one children. Okay, now come to the next one. Okay, what is that? It is saying that first a quadrilateral having 4 sides, and the name of the quadrilateral is ABCD. Okay, here it is saying that CD is 4 centimeter. Okay, now it is saying that BC is 5.5 centimeter. Yes or no? Now AD is 6 centimeter. And what is the value of AB? AB is 4.5. Here an important thing is there. What is that? Here it is saying that AC is how much, my dear friends? AC is how much? It is 7 centimeter. If 4 side and AC is a diagonal, so 4 side and 1 diagonal of a quadrilateral is given, means blindly go to the diagonal first. Take the measurement with the help of the scale and draw first A and C. Understood, my dear friends? Now AC is present here. If I am looking from this side, if I taking AC, in the top side which one is there? B is there, no? So the top side B will come in, and the B's opposite point is D, so D will coming on the bottom side. Okay, so now come to the point. From A to B, how much? 4.5. So from the point A, I have to draw a arc of measurement 4.5. Understood? Now from C to B, how much? 5.5. Take the measurement, and from the C you have to take it and bisect the previous arc. So whatever the point is coming, it is called as B. Okay. Same procedure you have to follow. What is that? From A point, A to D point, what is the dimension? 6 centimeter. So from A to downward, D is coming. With the help of the scale and the compass, take the measurement and bisect it from the downside. How much? 6 centimeter. And from the C is how much? 4 centimeter. From C point, put the needle here and bisect this previous arc. Whichever the point is coming, it is called as D. Now join all the points. With the help of scale you have to do, my dear friends. With the help of scale you have to draw all those lines. Okay. So this is the quadrilateral drawn according to the rough sketch. Okay. This is the first point. Okay. Now understood, my dear friends. Now the second one. Now come to the second one. What is that? Second one. What is the second one it is given? It is saying that there is a quadrilateral of dimension. What is the name of the quadrilateral it is saying? It is saying JUMP. J-U-M-P. I am writing in this clockwise direction. You can write it from the anti-clockwise also. Okay. J-U-M-P also. It is no problem is there in the case of the dimension. Okay. So what is the dimension it is given? 4 centimeter UM. Then 4.5 JB. Okay, next PM is 5 and UJ is 3.5. Okay, now understood now? Now here another diagonal is also given here. Okay, what is that? 6.5. As I told you earlier, what is that? If one diagonal and 4 sides are given, then what you have to do? First take the diagonal first. So what is the diagonal here? UP or PU. What is the dimension? With the help of the scale, take it. How much? 6.5. It is PU or UP, whatever you can take it. Okay. Now I am taking PU here. Now understood, my dear friends. If I put in here PU from this side, PU, P is the static point. That's why I am going to see from this side. PU. Then which one is coming in the top? J will come in the top. And M will come in the down. Okay. So from the P to J, how much it is? 4.5. With the help of scale, draw a arc here of dimension 4.5. And from the U, how much it is? 3.5 is there, no? So from the U, you have to take the dimension 3.5 and bisect that arc. What is the cross point of the arc is coming? That one is the point J. Same process follow on the down. Which point will come in? M will come here. So from the P, M is how much? 5 centimeter. So from P, you have to draw a arc of 5 centimeter of the arc. And from the U, how much it is? 4 centimeter. So you are from here, you have to bisect the previous arc. Okay. Then the intersecting point of the arcs is called as point M. Understood? Now join all the points. Okay, so this is the answer. Understood? This is the second point of your first chapter. Okay, now come to the next one. We can do it. Okay, now next one. The question number 3. What is that? A quadrilateral is there. The name of the quadrilateral is MORE. This is the rough sketch. First you have to draw the rough sketch according to the given question. Okay na? Now here said that MORE is a parallelogram having the dimension. What is that? The dimension OE is diagonal. How much? 7.5. Okay. And ER is how much? ER is 4.5. Okay. 4.5 cm. Okay, and OR is 6 centimeter. All of them are coming in 6 centimeter form. Okay, the unit is centimeter. In this case, what you have to take. Okay, we know that in a parallelogram, opposite sides are same. This is the one property of the what? Parallelogram. That is the opposite sides are parallel. So if it is 6 means this side also 6. If it is 4.5, this is also 4.5. Now some of you have been down that, sir, you are writing here 4.5. It is the smallest one and bigger one, and you are right here the smallest one are 6 centimeter. Why you are doing like that? You can change it. No? I can change it because previously I told you this is a rough sketch. This is not the fair one. Okay. Now let's go to our drawing. Now all sides are given. According to the rule, what you have to do? If diagonal and all sides are given, what you have to do? Take the diagonal first. Okay, this question is for you only, my dear friends. Okay, because already two of the questions I have did it, and this third question is for you. Okay, if you have doubt, you can ask me. Okay, so same thing. First take the diagonal first, then two dimensions are given. So of the sides or two sides of the parallelogram is given. So you have to draw 4.5 and 6 and get the arc. Same with the M. Okay, so draw it and show me. Okay, now the fourth one. Okay, fourth one is a tricky one. You have to understand the principle of the various shape of the quadrilaters. Okay, now so that it will be easy for you to identify. Okay, now he is saying that best is a rhombus. Okay, what is the name of the rhombus? B-E-S-T, best. Okay, so what is that? Best. Here it is saying that ET is how much? 6 centimeter. And BE how much? 4.5 centimeter. Now remember that here the principle of the rhombus is what? All sides of the rhombus are of same dimension. Means this one is 4.5, means this one is 4.5, this one is 4.5, this one is 4.5. Okay, we know it. This is the principle of the rhombus. Now again it is coming same thing. What is that? All sides are given and a diagonal is given. So same process you have to draw it. Okay, so no confusion is there. Draw the diagonal first. Here the diagonal is TE. How much? 6 centimeter. Okay. Now from the TE, if I see, then B will come in top, S will be coming down. So it is the easiest one. So from the T, bisect that, draw an arc of dimension 4.5. Same from the E, you have to draw it like this and cross that arc. Okay. So whatever the intersecting point you come in, that point is called as B. Okay. Now S will come in the down case. Same thing from the T, 4.5, from E, 4.5. How much? Which point will come in? S. Now join it. Okay, my dear friends. So this is the fair diagram of the rough diagram. Okay, by referring the rough diagram. Okay, so this is the geometry. This is the diagram we have drawn by following the rough sketch. Whatever we have made it from the statement given in your book. Okay. So this is the 4.1 exercise of your standard 8. Okay, so this is the first part. Okay, first exercise I am taking it first part. Okay, if you have been down, you can ask me. Okay, and like and comment me. Now this is the very simplest process of geometry, drawing a geometrical figure. Okay, now with the help of scale and or a ruler and compass. Okay, first understood the funda, then you do it. Okay, now thank you. Have a nice day.